episode of The Goofy Blonde Chef is brought to you by Coffee Over Cardio. Click the link below and enter code 10 Goofy Blonde Chef to get 10% off your order. Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode of The Goofy Blonde Chef. I'm Lisa, your host, and today, instead of a recipe, I'm going to show you some wonderful low-carb and low-calorie finds that you can get right at your grocery store. We're going to go through them, the frozen, the shelf-stable, and the refrigerated, and then we're going to take a few of the products and whip up something really quick. So, I hope you like it. If you do, let me know. And here we go. So to start our grocery episode, we're going to start with the refrigerated items. And I'll go through them one by one. Produce-wise, I love always having a bag of mini peppers. These are the sweet peppers. They're in 3 colors. They're wonderful. You can make little snacks and appetizers out of them. Just crunch them out of the bag. As a splurge, I love to buy some organic raspberries or strawberries. These are absolutely delicious. Always have some fresh ginger in the house, some organic spring mix, and an English cucumber. I also keep outside of the refrigerator some grape tomatoes. For the meats, I'd like to keep some natural applewood smoked turkey breast in the refrigerator. This is just a great protein if you're really hungry. You can just reach in and snack on it. 70 calories, no saturated fat, no sugar. Organic grass-fed ground beef, 93% lean. This is fantastic. Buy this at Walmart, the Market Side brand. It's super lean, low in calories, the best tasting grass-fed beef I have found. Liquid egg substitute. This is the Great Value brand. You can get egg beaters. It's low in calories, low in cholesterol, and you can use it anywhere you would use a beaten egg. Just found these, the crepini egg thins with cauliflower, 0 net carbs. You can use these as a crepe. You can wrap a savory filling. I can't wait to try these. Joseph's Heart Friendly Pita Bread. These are 60 calories per pita and I believe 5 net grams of carbs. So if you are really, really craving bread and you're on your low carb diet, these are wonderful. Some organic baby portobello mushrooms. These go great in omelets. You can probably fill these little egg thin crepes with these. It'll be great. 2 Good yogurt, only 2 grams of sugar. It's a Greek yogurt, so it's thick and satisfying. And Nut Pods creamer. This is the original, unsweetened, completely unsweetened, and it's creamy and rich and goes great in your coffee or tea. So there we have it for our refrigerated and produce, and I am going to move on to shelf stable, and then we'll do frozen. So here are some of my favorite shelf stable, low carb, low calorie items I think you're gonna love. We will start with our protein sources. These are shelf stable sources of protein. I love these Infusions tuna. They're by Chicken of the Sea. And this is lemon thyme, and there's Thai chili. Blue Harbor wild pink salmon, 100 calories for the whole can. It's so good on a salad. Also Chicken of the Sea lemon pepper pink salmon, excellent. Quest individual protein packs. I love the salted caramel. It makes a great pancake or waffle. Walden Farms Italian dressing in packets, 0 calories, sugar-free, fat-free. Great to throw in your purse if you're gonna go to a restaurant and you know the dressings are all gonna be super high in calories or sugar. On to my favorite Miracle Noodle products. I have the fettuccine, the Miracle Rice, and some ziti. I love sparkling iced beverages. Peach nectarine is my favorite. PB2 powdered peanut butter, great stuff to put in a smoothie. Organic bone broth, get this at Walmart, Sam's Choice. It is the best thing to saute vegetables in. Just found this. Ragu has a margarita pizza sauce, and look at these stats. It's pretty amazing. Your carbs, 3 grams total, 1 gram of fiber for 2 net carbs per serving, and 25 calories, 0.5 grams of fat. That's pretty awesome. The ingredients are pretty clean, so I'm excited to try it. Lily's baking chips. What would we do without these? Dark chocolate. These are great in any kind of low-carb dessert you might want to make. You can dip strawberries in them, melted. I put them in my cannoli. So good. And my organic olive oil cooking spray, which I use all the time. On to frozen. Now moving on to our frozen foods. I always have at least 2 bags of riced cauliflower because I make pizza crust out of it, among many other things. So I always keep those. Also a bag of pink salmon skinless fillets. They're 100 calories each, 0 carbs. Great when you just forgot to grocery shop and need something quick. I do like Boca veggie burgers. I know there's some controversy about soy. Every once in a while I want a veggie burger, and these are the best, and they're very low in carbs as well. And you may know I'm a big fan of Real Good Foods products. These are some of my favorites. They're available now at Kroger, Publix, Walmart, pretty much everywhere. And they're so good. They're low in carbs. Calories vary, so check the labels. And that is my grocery haul for today. Stay tuned. If there's anything you want to know about or any products you want to know where I buy them, please message me, goofyblondechef@gmail.com, and we will talk to you real soon. So to put some of these products into practice, I'm sauteing the vegetables in the chicken bone broth, and I'm going to use that as a filling for those little egg crepes. We'll see what that looks like very soon. So here we go. The egg crepes, I'm going to heat them for a few seconds in the pan, and then I'll fill them with my mushroom, pepper, and scallion mixture. Here we go. Now see this? I'm going to drizzle it with my favorite sassy sauce. Check out the video for that one. We'll roll them up, and these will be so good. Well, there's our episode for this week. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like it, thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and we'll see you next time on The Goofy Blonde Chef. Thanks so much for watching.